Hey everybody, my name's Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're looking at the Chase Bike Vest 50 ounce from CamelBak. Now this bike vest is very lightweight, so it's gonna keep your shoulders and back and everything feeling nice and comfortable while it is keeping you hydrated. It does, of course, have a very comfortable construction to these straps. As you can see, they're made out of a very lightweight and thin mesh material to keep everything breathing and feeling cool while you are riding. Got those sturdy straps here across the front to keep everything locked into place with some storage up there on those straps, which is nice. You can see that unzips, opens up, gives you this little pocket right there for those grab and go items. You also have some storage here across the front of the bag with these little pockets on each side. Nice big sleeve right there, and this guy across the front. Again, got a little room in there for your grab and go items. You even have a little loop right here for your keys. And then, of course, here in the front, you have your hydration system, which is really, really nice. It's gonna give you an amazing flow rate for a consistent drink without it spilling or splashing while you're riding. Now you can always stay hydrated thanks to this awesome pack here from CamelBak.